Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Ford Escape window. First, let's diagnose the problem. Listen carefully for any motor sounds when you press the window switch. Observe if the window glass moves at all, even slightly. Also, check for any visible damage to the window itself or the surrounding trim. Testing the switch on both the driver and passenger sides can help pinpoint if the issue is with the switch or the motor. Before we begin, gather your essential tools. You'll need a trim removal tool, various screwdrivers, and a socket set. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any work. Carefully remove the door panel to gain access to the window's internal components. Remember to protect your vehicle's interior surfaces with a clean cloth or towel to prevent any scratches. Now, let's address the common culprits: the window regulator and motor. Carefully inspect the regulator for any bent, broken, or worn parts. You can test the motor by applying 12 volts directly to its terminals to see if it operates. Often, if either component is faulty, it's best to replace the entire window regulator assembly. Ensure all new components are secured with the original fasteners and tightened to proper specifications. With the new components installed, it's time for reassembly. Carefully reconnect all electrical connectors and secure the door panel back into place. Once the panel is secure, reattach the negative battery terminal. Now, test the window's operation by moving it up and down several times. Ensure it moves smoothly, without any binding or unusual noises, and that it seals properly when fully closed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.